Hello everyone, this is our second GUI Java programming, and well, we're gonna do another component. It's the JSlider, is the slider where you get a value from. Um, I can say some example where it's used for, but yeah, we're gonna do it today. First of all, we'll just add something fancy to the JSpinner listener. Someone noticed it. He asked me like, hey, can we just add something to the JSpinner listener that it can't can't be less than 0? Well, we use data. If it's less than 0, data is 0. But there is a way to just let the JSpinner not select something under 0. It's yeah, it's easy way. Uh, First of all, we'll make a new component, no, well, new object, private spinner model SM. Well, I'll leave it like that. And here, wait a minute. Yeah. Here we're gonna do SM is new spinner number model. This one takes 4 parameters. The first parameter is the value where to start at. We're gonna give it a 0. The second parameter is what's the minimum value. That's 0, because we don't want it to be less than 0. And the third is the maximum value of the JSpinner. That's 100. And the last one is the step size. So that's every time you press the upper arrow or the lower arrow, it's just a value it adds or distracts each time you press it. So we're gonna set this just to 1 and import it. I use Control Shift O to import, well, to format the imports for Java. It deletes the unused imports and it adds the imports that are needed. We initialize the spinner model, and it's very easy. You just add the spinner model to the JSpinner initializer, and that's it. We're gonna run it, and you see it won't go less than 0, and every time you press it, it adds or distracts 1, and it's not gonna be higher than 100. So, this is how to limit the JSpinner. Now we're gonna make a new class, and that means once again swing GUI form JFrame form, and we're gonna call it JSliderListener. Finish that. Now it has to load all the controls, and it's done. This is the JSlider. Oh, well, this is a perfect place to place it, and an OK button. I'm gonna place it right here. The name of this one. Okay, we'll do it later. Um, Here we just have to add an action performed method. We don't need this one. Okay, never mind. Okay, yeah, this is everything we need. So Control A, Control C, and we're gonna make a new class file called JSliderListener, and just paste it in here. I'm gonna just delete every comment because I hate the comments automatically generated, and it can be asked to change the templates for it. Like that. Great. Um, yeah, this is useless. We're gonna do just try and catch exception e e dot print stack trace, and here we're gonna do UI manager set look and feel UI manager dot get system look and feel class name. That's just gonna make it the difference between that one is okay. I didn't make the visible to true. It didn't launch anything. Anyways, here we're gonna do new JSlider listener, and yeah, this can be moved to here. And I don't know why they use this because it's already extending JFrame, and why would they do it like this? You can just remove this because this is just a local parameter. No, not a parameter, it's just a local variable. Um, we want to not resize it to false, and we didn't use this the last episode. This is set location relative to null. Oh, it's just lowercase. Okay. What this basically does, it centers the screen you've made, so you don't have to drag to the center of your screen. It's not really needed. And as last, we're gonna use set visible to true. Yeah. Okay. Um, Set title JSliderListener, and okay, fair enough. Um, Here we're gonna add go. Okay, great. Uh, we're gonna, well, we just made it the frame, but it does nothing. You can use the tools, but you can't really do something with it yet. So let's change that. We we want to get the value of the JSlider. This isn't hard, it's really easy. We're gonna make an integer called value. Value is equal to JSlider1 get value. And we're gonna make a method fuck you public void. We can make it private as well. Say string s system.out.println s. We're gonna do just say value plus the value, the integer called value. This must work. Oh wait, we forgot something. It's in the middle at the beginning. So we're gonna make it JSlider1.set value to 0 at the beginning. Yeah, here it's at the beginning. So the value is 0 right there, and here it's 100. So it's just a percent bar, and this must be around 50. That's great, ain't it? We can use doubles as well, so you can be more precisely. Oh, didn't know that it. Oh, this is just only integers. So never mind. It's just integers. So this is the way how to get values from JSliders. Um, I hope you learned something once again. If you learned something in the previous video. I hope you liked it, and please give me some feedback, and uh, even if it's just one person who follows my videos, that's good to me. Next week I'm gonna start a series called Java 2D game programming, and we're gonna make a game in a decent way, because there's a lack of good game programming videos, especially in 2D. So just subscribe, and there's coming way more coming summer. I'm having my summer break until September, so there's a lot of time to make videos. Well, I hope you liked it, and see you next time. Bye.